Hello, good morning, good evening, YouTubers. Uh, this is Ismael Rosado, and my pleasure to get back to you here. Yep, I see I don't have any followers that taking my videos. That's fine. You don't have to say that you like the videos, but yeah, if it's for a reason that I've been reselling, answering to some people. Yes, okay. I gonna tell you something. When I come here, I do have a company that sell and buy antique coins. What? Sell and buy antique coins or coins for collections. Do you understand that? Coins for collections or currency everywhere in the world. And I hope you guys understand that. This is not a church. No, I don't have a Bible here reading chapter by chapter talking about Jesus Christ. This is not a church. I'm not a politic. I'm not saying who is going to be the next president or who is going to be the next president of your country. No, I don't talking about that. And I'm not talking about sex. I have kids watching these videos with the moms. I have people that have their own believers. Some of them believe, some of them don't believe. It is not my problem. And whoever wins on politics, we don't care. We are not going to give them nothing. And they are not going to give us nothing. And, if you're going to ask for money, every town, every country has the way that you can ask for money to anybody. But any company, either mine, will get a list of the people that need money. And I'm going to start sending you thousands of dollars because I don't have it. Secondly, I'm not a beneficiary company that I say here, hey, everybody joining here because I'm going to give you money. It's not going to happen. Say, hey, it's not going to happen. If you need money, hey, go to the channels. There is a GoFund account. There is a government account that you can ask for money. There is people that can help you. Of course, my company donate. I have people that I donate every year. My accounting is the one that tell me who I can donate, who I can't donate. And I want to stay clear on that. I will not donate for sex. I will not donate for church. I will not donate for anybody individual that come over. There is a channels that the people donate. And company, we don't donate money just like we have a big basket of money to be throwing out on the air. And I staying in what I say in Facebook. Anyone, regardless who is, talking about religion, talking about sex, talking about politics is going to be banished out of my account. Any one of the accounts that I have, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, whoever come talking about the Bible or talking about church or anything like that, hey, listen, guy, I have a company that talk about coins. If you don't understand that, hey, you have something wrong. If you don't understand that I'm not talking about sex, you have a wrong page to come. I don't date no one. So let's make this statement clear. If you like my video, good. If you don't like my video, okay. But listen, that's the way it is. That's the way it is. When we're talking in here, we're talking about this, man, media. About coins. But it doesn't mean that I have a ton of coin that everyone that come asking for money and sending me pictures that your kids are hungry and you got a whole family of more than 40-year people. Hey, go to work. as I do, I work 23, 24 hours daily, 7 days a week. So I can do what I have. And of course, my company made donation, but this is yearly set up. I don't set them up. So I have somebody do it for me, and whatever the donation I have to give, I give it to them. I don't give no pastor, no congregation, no single people a donation. Don't ask me for donation. Because I don't want to get my wallet and I'm going to send you $20 or $20, $1,000 to the other one because you cannot work, because you are a bunch of lazies. Yeah, I understand there is a lot of things, earthquake and everything. We do have to care what we have to care. When we have to donate, my accountant told me we're going to donate this year to these people, we're going to donate this year for these other people, and we made the donation. Not individual donation. No one. So if you don't like my videos because I don't give you a donation, good. Why don't you make me a favor? Go find somebody else to see if somebody else is going to give you a donation. If you want to be here talking about religion, there are plenty channels talking about religions. In YouTube, make your own channels, and you go there and you explain to people why you want to talk about religions. Because the little time that we have to do a live or to do a video is not to be talking about anything except coins. And I make it clear once again. We're not here to talk about nothing else except coins, currency, bills. That's what I do. I sell and I buy currency. With your help, or with or without your help. So, if you don't like because I don't give you a donation, feel free. There is plenty pages around YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, name it, TikTok, Twitter. There is other pages on this type of videos. But on mine, you are not doing it. I'm sorry about your believers. I'm sorry about what you had to say. But on mine, unless you talk about my coins or what I have, it's not gonna happen. I don't want to have an argument on my networks talking about Jesus Christ or talking about who's best doing sex or anything like that, or who's the best politic around the world. No. I don't care about that. If you need money for your child, yeah, you got a father, you got a court. You can set up a GoFundMe, and they will help you. But not on my network. Sorry about that. If I doing a live, I got people that are gonna banish you. So don't worry. This is all what I have to say. If you don't like the video, don't do nothing. Just pass the page, roll, and keep going. But if you like my videos, finger up. It's the only thing I ask. Finger up and bye-bye. This is all what I had to say. I restain on what I said on Facebook. Not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. You know, at the same that I wake up, I got 66 years, and I wake up every day. At 4 o'clock, I leave in my house to go to work. And I come late at night to work with coin, and I don't have time to talking about nothing else. Bye-bye, guys. You have a great night.